Hello, today we are unboxing this mini video projector M2 from Joel. Lord, I don't know, I can't read. Anyway, this is a mini projector. I did not even realize it was a mini one until after I ordered it when it redelivered, but nonetheless, let's see. So these are all the information, the sizing and all of that good stuff. I'm just trying to take the projector out of the box. Yeah, this projector is so cute, but let's talk about the things that came in the box first. So it came with a remote control, one power cable, one HDMI cable, one AV cable, and these cleaning swabs. Yeah, the projector is so sexy. As you can see, I got it in the what color is this again? Yeah, the gray. I don't know, I'm developing a love for gray, but yeah, this is great. It is very lightweight, surprisingly. Y'all, I can carry this thing in my hand, in my handbag to school. Okay, it is so super, super duper sexy, and it is so small. I said it's light. Y'all, this was giving me, I don't know, but I was just in love with it. I just couldn't wait to start to use it because this is so, I don't know why I was so excited. I always get excited when I buy materials for school and things for school. But anyways, the projector cute, okay? And there's also this manual that I did not bother to read until I was having problems setting it up. But anyways, it was very easy to hook up on all of that stuff. And then we encountered some problems, with the blurring, but then we got that fixed. And y'all, the big screen, woo! Look at my foot cock. Girl, listen, this thing was so good. I was watching last, don't judge me. But let me tell you, this thing is so good. The sound quality, I will have to put on the song.
Don't know. Didn't get a chance to ask him.
It was so good. I was thinking to myself, who needs a big screen TV when we have projector? This was giving me cinema vibes, and I was there for it. I also love the fact that I was able to set it up using my cell phone. It has that Apple Play thing, that AirPlay thingy where you can use, as well as the Android share screening thing for Android phones. I did not get it to work on my tablet, but yeah, you can also use it on your computer, of course. But I love the fact that I can use it on my phone. I don't have to log with my computer to school. Love it. Anyways, thank you guys for dropping by.